Hello बच्चों, welcome to my channel. Today we will take one short revision of chapter 13, Fun with Magnets. Natural magnets found in nature, for example magnetite, artificial magnets. The process of making magnets from the iron pieces was discovered. They are of different shapes. Shapes आपको दिखा रखी हैं, देख सकते हैं आप इनको. Magnets, the substances having the property of attracting iron are called magnets. Magnetic material. The materials get attracted towards a magnet, for example, iron, nickel, and cobalt. Non-magnetic material. The materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are known as non-magnetic material. For example, scale, shoe. Poles of a magnet are present at the two ends of a bar magnet. These are North Pole and South Pole. आयरन फिलिंग्स आर मोर अट्रैक्टेड एट द पोल्स देन मिडल. फिगर दे रखी है, आप देख सकते हैं रेड कलर से आयरन फिलिंग्स दिखा रखी हैं. ए फ्रीली सस्पेंडेड मैग्नेट ऑलवेज अलाइंस इन नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन. कंपास. It is a small box with glass cover on it. It has a magnetized needle which can rotate freely. It also has a dial with directions marked on it. With its help, we can find direction. Opposite poles of two magnets attract each other. Similar poles repel one another. Magnets lose their properties if they are heated, hammered, or dropped from some height, so they should be stored with care. Keep magnets away from TV, mobiles, computer, CDs, etc. Now we will do its exercise. Fill in the blanks. Artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as bar magnet, horseshoe, and cylindrical. The materials which are attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic. Paper is not a magnetic material. In olden days, sailors used to find direction by suspending a piece of bar magnet. A magnet always has two poles. True, false. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole. False. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. False. Similar poles of a magnet repel each other. True. Maximum iron filings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. False. Bar magnets always point toward north-south direction. True. A compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place. True. Rubber is a magnetic material. False. It was observed that a pencil sharpener gets attracted by both the poles of a magnet, although its body is made up of plastic. Name the material that might have been used to make some part of it. The blade of the pencil sharpener is made up of iron, so it gets attracted by both the poles of the magnet. Question number 4. Column 1, column 2. Column 1 shows different positions in which one pole of a magnet is placed near that of other. Column 2 indicates the resulting action between them from each situation. North north सेम पोल्स है, रिपल्शन होगा. अट्रैक्शन दे रखा है यानी कि अपोजिट पोल्स होंगे, नॉर्थ के साथ साउथ आएगा. साउथ नॉर्थ दे रखा है, अपोजिट पोल्स हैं तो अट्रैक्शन होगा. कॉलम 2 में रिपल्शन दे रखा है तो इसके साथ सेम पोल आएगा यानी कि साउथ पोल आएगा. Write any two properties of a magnet. Magnet attracts objects made up of iron, nickel or cobalt. Second, like poles repel but unlike poles attract. Where are poles of a bar magnet located? Poles of a bar magnet, that is the north pole and the south pole, are located at the ends of a magnet. Question number 7. A bar magnet has no markings to indicate its poles. How would you find out near which end is its north pole located? A freely suspended bar magnet comes to rest in north-south direction. The poles of a magnet can be marked by suspending it freely with the help of a thread. The north facing end is North Pole and the south facing end is South Pole. फिगर दे रखी है. You are given an iron strip. How will you make it into a magnet? For changing iron strip into magnet, the bar magnet is moved along the length of the iron strip from one end to other. The side of the magnet should remain same. This process is repeated 30 to 40 times and the iron strip changes into bar magnet. Now question number 9. How is compass used to find directions? The compass is kept at the place where we wish to know directions. Its needle indicates the north-south direction when it comes to rest. The compass is rotated until the north and south marked on the dial are at the two ends of the needle. Question number 10. कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2, इनको हम नंबरिंग कर लेंगे. 1 और 2 को 1 to 5 और कॉलम 2 को भी 1 to 5 करेंगे. तो इसका फर्स्ट आएगा बोट गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड द मैग्नेट. इसका आएगा बोट इज मेड अप ऑफ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. बोट इज नॉट इफेक्टेड बाय द मैग्नेट. इसका आएगा बोट इज मेड अप ऑफ नॉन मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. थर्ड, boat moves toward the magnet if north pole of the magnet is brought near its head. कॉलम 2 में आएगा ये boat is fitted with a magnet with south pole towards its head. Boat moves away from the magnet when north pole is brought near its head. Boat is fitted with a magnet with north pole towards its head. Boat floats without changing its direction. Boat has a small magnet fixed along its length. Okay, bye bye बच्चों.